Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will learn how to manage a shared document in Google. To do this, first let's open your browser and make sure you're signed in to Google. When you're in, go to this button here, which is the Google Apps, and you can see a lot of apps here. But for today we want these three: Docs, Sheets, and Slides. They represent the normal documents, Excel files, and PowerPoint files. The way they share documents with other people are mostly the same, so let's just pick one of them. And this is how it will look like. Google provides a few different templates that you can use. And down here is the documents that all your ID has access to. What that means is Google divides the ownership of any documents into three, which are owned by anyone, which is a combination of all, and owned by me, and lastly, not owned by anyone. Now, if you select owned by me, all the documents here are all the documents that this account creates. And if you select the not owned by me, it will show all the documents that are created by other people and shared with this particular account. Now, let's try and create our own document. To do that, if you want a blank document, you just press here. They will automatically create a blank document and you can start working now. You can type it here. And this is all the features that you might want to use. And the nice thing about Google is they automatically save it every few seconds, so you don't have to worry about saving your documents. If you want to share this document, you just have to go here. If it's not named, they will ask for a name of the document. So let's just type something and then save it. Now there are two ways that you can share the document with other people. First is using the link. You can copy the link here and send it to other people, or you can type in other people's name and send the invitation from here. Now let's try to add a participant for this document. If you click there, you can see a suggestion, or you can copy and paste the email address. Let's go with his. You can put in a few words there. If you're done, just click send. Now they will automatically add the person added, and you can check the name of the person here. Now from here, you can also edit the access right for each person. You can click it here, and then there are a few different changes that you can make. First is viewer. If you click here, this person are only able to view the document without making any changes. Commenter will only be able to insert a few comments, but it will not alter the actual data. And editor will be able to make a lot of changes into the document. Making an owner will create another owner same as you. And lastly, you can remove it if you want. Now that's everything that you can do with the access rights. Now let's see how these access rights work. If you press done, you will go back to your document, and if you press here, you will go back to the list of documents. If you click here to not owned by me, I've set up a few documents to demonstrate the access rights. Let's first try with these documents. These documents are made by other accounts, and I made sure that this account is only a viewer, so I'm unable to alter anything. However, I can still copy the content of these documents. For example, if I do it here and click on a notepad, I can still paste the content here. That's how viewer works. Now let's check out the other one. Now let's open this next document. In this document, I set the access right as an editor. I can make some changes to this document. For example, change number 1, number 2. I can even use other features if I want to. And basically, I'm another writer of this document. That's how an editor works. So let's go back to the document home and open another document. I set up this document so I'm only a commenter. As a commenter, I can only make small changes to this document. For example, if we type in here, they will treat it as a comment, and the owner and you can both remove it anytime. So if we remove this comment here, reject suggestion, the document will revert back to the previous version. That way I can barely make any changes to the actual document. Now that's everything for commenter. Now that's everything regarding how to share your document using Google Docs. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you.